Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I'm Piyush Prajapati from class 7B. Today, I'm here on the occasion of Poshan Ma 2021 to represent my presentation that is guided by Mrs. Mineshing Ma'am, PGT Biology, and in charge of Eco Club of our school, Kendriya Vidyalaya Chhatarpur, Madhya Pradesh. Our today's topic of discussion is balanced diet. Now, the most common question arises in our mind is what exactly is balanced diet? For growth, maintenance of good health, we should consume all the nutrients. What are these nutrients? These nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, water, and roughage, or we can say them as components of food. We have to consume these all in right amount. What is this right amount? This right amount is neither too much nor too little. When we practice this all, when we practice this diet is known as balanced diet. Now, what are the benefits of it? We can make our body healthy body, make our immune system strong, reduce chronic illness, and improve physical, spiritual, and social fitness. All the fitnesses will be improved. Now, if we don't consume them in right amount, or we can say in little amount, what will happen? If we not consume carbohydrates in little if we consume carbohydrates in little amount, our body may cause headache, fatigue, and weakness. In fats, dry rashes, hair loss, and weaker immune system is happens when we not consume it in right amount. What about vitamins? Vitamin A is vitamin A. If we do not consume it in right amount, we may cause loss of vision. And if we not eat it for a long time, we may cause completely eye blindness, and its symptoms are poor vision, unable to see in darkness, and sometimes completely loss of vision. To prevent it, we must eat vitamin E rich foods like cucumber, papaya, and watermelon. What about vitamin B1? Beriberi is a disease caused in the deficiency of vitamin B1, and this leads you to weak muscles and you get very little energy to work. To prevent it, you have to eat vitamin B1 rich foods like beef, pork, nuts, and whole grains. What about vitamin C? Scurvy, a disease caused due to the lack of it. Its symptoms are bleeding gums, wounds take longer time to heal. How to cure it? To cure it, we must eat citrus fruits like orange, broccoli, strawberries, and vitamin C rich fruits and vegetables. What about vitamin D? A disease called rickets in children and osteomalacia in adolescents is found in the lack of vitamin D. We may suffer from soft bones and bent off bones in the deficiency of it. We have to prevent it. We must eat vitamin D rich foods like oily fish, red meat, liver, egg yolks, etc. Interestingly, you can fulfill the need of vitamin D with sunlight also. What about minerals? We will study some minerals. Now, what about calcium? We may suffer from bone and tooth decay if we not eat calcium. Our bones will become very weak, and to prevent from it, we must eat calcium rich foods like seeds, cheese, and yogurt. What about iodine? A disease called goiter will happen to you if you don't eat iodine. Its symptoms are glands in the neck appear swollen, mental disability in children. To prevent it, we must eat dairy products, fish, and iodized salt. What about iron? Anemia, a disease caused due to the lack of iron is in our body. This leads you to weakness due to decrease in RBC in our body. We have to eat spinach, liver, and pumpkin seeds to cure it and to prevent from it. Now, one component of food is also water. What happens if we not take water in right amount, or we can say in poor amount? If we not take water in if we take water in poor amount, we may lack water and suffer from a disease called dehydration. Here we have to experience vomiting, lose motion and even kidney failure. That's why we are suggested to drink as much water as we can. What about roughage? If we not eat fibers, roughage are fibers. If we not eat them enough, what are we may cause some digestive issues like constipation and dysbiosis. So we have to eat as much fiber as we can. Thank you. This presentation is made by Piyush Prajapati, Class 7B, guided by Mrs. Mineshing Ma'am, in charge of Eco Club and PGT Biology in our school, Kendriya Vidyalaya Chhatarpur, Madhya Pradesh. Thank you and have a nice day.